We are just back from court where Officer Edward Nero, one of the 6 officers charged in the arrest and death of Freddie Gray, had pretrial motions ahead of his trial, which is going to begin Thursday. He formally elected to have a bench trial instead of a jury trial. That means the judge alone will hear the evidence and make a decision about whether he is guilty or innocent. Judge Williams ruled on a number of motions today. Among them, he declined to dismiss the charges as the defense had requested. He agreed that the video of the arrest of Freddie Gray, that audio will be stripped out of that video. He did sort of a split ruling on the question of to what extent Freddie Gray's injuries can be discussed. Edward Nero, in this case, is charged with reckless endangerment for how he and other officers put Mr. Gray into the arrest van. The defense has argued that in order to prove reckless endangerment, you don't actually have to show that injuries occurred, just that the way they handled him created a risk. The judge said that he wasn't going to preclude any mention of the injuries, but he also wasn't going to allow extensive medical expert testimony about them. He also ruled that the knife that was recovered from Freddie Gray won't be mentioned. The prosecution initially said that Gray's arrest was illegal because the knife was legal under the state code. That's been in question in the months since, and the state kind of moved away from that theory. They're saying now that he was detained and arrested even before the knife was found, and so the judge ruled that the knife really won't come up at all, unless, of course, the defense wants to bring it up. So we had some preliminary rulings. The trial will start Thursday with opening statements, and we will be there with coverage at BaltimoreSun.com.